All right, so today we're going to put wheel bearings in. We got new wheel bearings. So first thing we need to do is take the wheel off so you can use your impact. So it's set to reverse. See the buttons push back. Let me get lined up. Remember, you just pop it. Just pop it. All right. Pull your tire off.
It's hard to, so.
Yep. Pull it off and lay it down there. Go around the other side. Take the other one off. Huh? It's fine. You're kind of wedged in here a little bit. There. All right, remember, just pop it. Don't hold it down. Squeeze it. There you go. Hit it one more time. Squeeze it. Hit it again. It's coming off. Go ahead and hit it. Hold it. That's good. See, it takes off. All right. Go ahead and pull that one off. All right, now we're going to get set up over here on the bench. All right, so now what we're going to do is knock the bearings out. So one bearing's out already. You take a little piece of emery cloth. And see where it was in there? It's just kind of rusty looking. We're just going to take and kind of wipe that out just a little bit. Just kind of clean that crud out of there. Okay? I'm going to get you a paper towel to wipe that out here. This rag right here. Alright. Put your finger in there like this. So you just kind of have a fold over. Put your finger in there and kind of wipe that out real good like that. See this bearing race? This is called a race. That's where we're going to put it. Hold. Yeah, go ahead and grab your glasses.
Okay.
Good idea. Safety first, right? And I'll grab the bearings. Once you take that, after you put your glasses on, and wipe that out, okay? Got them? Take that. What we're wanting to do, you see right here, we're going to wipe that out real good. Yep. Turn it around a little bit for you. Okay, so before we put this one in, we're going to knock the other one out. Yeah. So you see the other one down in there? See it? You see it? So we'll just lay it down. And we'll just put this punch on there. You want to hit it? Don't hit my hand. Don't hit my hand.
Like this?
Yep. Ready? Now let me move it. Let me move it back. Did you hear it fall out?
Yeah.
See it? Alright, now we need to clean this side. Just take a little emery cloth. You do it the same way. Just put your finger right on the corner. Just kind of wipe. It kind of breaks the rust and grease and crud up that's in there. See, like that? Use this. Put your finger right on the corner. Use this first. Now work your way around. Alright, and I'll turn it. Do it again. Alright, I'll turn it. I'll turn it one more time. Okay, now get your finger dirty.
Yep.
Wipe your finger off and use your cloth there to clean that out of the inside of it. Okay, you turn it. Okay. Looks pretty good. Now I'm just going to run this all the way through to get any of the crud out of it. Okay? Looks real good.
Really good.
Alright, so set that up on there. Let me get a socket and we'll show you how we drive it in there. Back over here. Alright, so what we're going to do is find a socket that's about the same diameter the outside of it. See that? What we're going to do is we're going to drive it in. We're going to drive on the outside. We're going to drive on this outside ring. You see this inside ring? Quick feel of it now. Feel how smooth that turns. Feel it turning? Feel this one. Turn that one. It won't even turn. Here we go. Now turn it. Feel how rough it is? Bearings are bad. Let's see if we can drive this in without putting it on a bench here. We can get it started for you. See how I'm going around and around and around? See how it's going down in there? Let me get you a little smaller hammer. I got a little smaller hammer later. I don't want you to hit my hand with that big hammer. Where is it here? I got another hammer that looks just like that. It's just about half that size. Where did I lay it at?
Is this it?
Yeah, that's it. Pull it out there.
Well, that's heavy too.
Okay, so what you want to do is work your way around. Go ahead. There you go. Perfect. Keep going. Keep going. Hit just a little harder. There you go. Alright, let's check it. See it? It's going in. Let me hold it right there. Alright, go ahead. Alright, let me finish it up. It's just a little big to go down in that wheel. That one's it's in there. Hear how it hits solid? And then you can feel how it's flush. It's actually not all the way in. That side's up just a little bit, ain't it? Let's see if I can. Alright, it's in there good now. See, it turns good?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Now we're going to do this side.
The nasty dirty stuff.
Get us another bearing. Let me get it started for you. Big hammer.
This is my hammer.
Alright, see it? See how it started in there? Let me get this up there so you won't hit my hand. Alright, go ahead. Work your way around. Got to hit a little harder than that. There you go. Take your time. You ain't got to go in a hurry. There you go. Look, let me show you something. See, there's 4 points on that socket. See it? Hit all 4 of them. So hit one, then move around, hit the other one, and then move around. And I need you to look. I need you to hit a little harder. So I need you to choke back on that hammer a little bit. There you go. There you go. Take your time. Take your time. Hit one. Take your time. Then hit the other one, and try to hit it flat. Try to hit it flat with your hammer like that. You need something to stand on? There you go. It's going. You want to get it down in the floor and do it? You got to hit a little harder than that. You want that bigger hammer?
I'm good.
I just don't want you to hit my hand. You got to hit a little harder. It ain't moving. There you go. Not faster, just harder. There you go. It's still moving now. A little bit harder. You got me there a little bit, didn't you? Alright, let me finish it up. See how it's almost in?
Or you could do that.
Turn it over. It's almost in. You don't want to hit it too hard and bust these aluminum wheels. Here you go. You want to go ahead and install that back on there, or do you want to do the next one?
Do the next
Okay, let me pause this.
one.
Here, hold that up. Put your hammer down. Hold that up and show everybody what you did. Right there. See that? Good job.
We need
All
to
right.
clean these.
Huh?
We need to clean these.
No, they're fine.
That's what came off.
Okay. Get a little grease on it. Here. Wipe your hands off. Then wipe that off. Okay. Leave this spacer. Make sure spacer's on there. Just wipe it here like this. You don't really need to dab, but you can do like this. Okay. All right. Slide your tire and wheel on. There you go. Line it up. Okay. Get it all the way on. All right. Put the nut on it. That way. Mm-hmm. It's seated. It's ready. There you go. Feel it? Alright. Remember how to operate this thing?
How to?
What is this thing? Impact. 3/8 impact wrench. Remember? Hold on. Leave it laying on the ground. Forward and reverse. It's set for reverse, so you got to push that back. Push it. All right.
Looks easy.
Now it's on forward. Back up a little bit, and I'll hold it, and you can squeeze it. Back up. And we don't want to run it down super tight. Squeeze it for about a second and let off. Need to do it one more time. About that same amount. Let's check it. It needs a little bit more. Let me hit it here. That's about right. It's a little snug on it, but it's probably it'll wear a little bit. Let me just bump it here. There we go.
Yeah.
There you go. Good job. Now we need to do the other one and